Hello guys and hello Miss Effie. I'm Dimas Eka Saputra from Diploma 4 State Financial Management 24, student number 6. This presentation is to fulfill PPIMK assignment on essay writing. Okay, the topic that I got is despite the development of technology in classroom such as games for educational purpose for young students aged 6 until 12, several people argue that there should be limits on the number of hours that young students spend using technology during the school day. Honestly, I agree with the restriction on the use of technology in schools. The development of technology does provide convenience for every human affair, but if there are no restriction on its use, it will have many negative impacts, especially for children aged 6 until 12 years. So that I choose the title The Bad Effect of Using Too Much Technology at School. What are the bad effects? On this slide, there are three bad effects that I will explain on this topic. First, there are no restriction on the use of technology causing children to be antisocial. When young children are no longer limited to using gadgets at school, they tend to focus and get used to being alone to play with gadgets and not paying attention to the people around them. In the end, they find it difficult to socialize with the environment and will increase the risk of loneliness. Conversely, when children are given limits of the use of gadgets, they will have time to interact with the people around them so that they are used to socializing. They can use gadget when ordered by their teachers or when they want to ask their parents to pick them up when they come home for school. Second, addiction will make children lazy, causing some of them to become obese. The use of technology with no limits can also cause addiction to the gadget use. This addiction is caused because gadgets have various features such as games, social media, and other entertainment media. This addiction to playing with gadgets causes children to be lazy to move and sit or lie down more often. As a result, children will experience obesity and eye problems because of their preoccupation with playing with gadgets. For example, my eyes have myopia due to no restriction on the use of cell phones when I was in junior high school. And this is quite disturbing because I have to wear glasses all the time. Third, gadget addiction can also interrupt mental health. In addition to impacting physical health, gadget addiction can also interfere with mental health. Addiction to gadget can trigger dangerous side effects such as difficulty focusing on children. Focus is needed for young people, especially at the age of 6 until 12 years, because at that age, children are experiencing a period of growth so they can learn and capture information faster. In addition, it can also increase the risk of depression, anxiety disorders, and other behavioral problems that will trigger aggressive behavior in children. Okay, the conclusion is I agree with the restriction on the use of technology in school for young children, especially those aged 6 until 12 years, because there are so many harmful effects due to excessive use of gadgets. Addiction to playing with gadgets can affect children's behavior with others and damage physical and mental health. So there is a need for restriction in school to reduce the adverse effect for excessive use of technology. Okay, that's all I can say. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thank you.